I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware capability. Check your phone, laptop, or router for 5 GHz support, 802, 11 AC or AX. Once done, update router firmware and device drivers. Make a quick backup of current settings. Move the router to a central, elevated spot and reduce interference from microwaves and cordless phones. Now log into the router's admin page using its IP. Keep your password handy. Configure an admin session so you can change band, channel, and power without interruptions. You now enable the 5 GHz band and give it a clear SSID, for example, Home Network 5G, so devices can differentiate. Next, pick a channel. Scan nearby networks and choose a low-interference channel like 36 or 149, depending on your country rules. Configure channel width, 80 MHz for speed, 40 MHz for better range, and set encryption to WPA3 or WPA2 for compatibility. Finally, adjust transmit power and you finish by forgetting the old 4 GHz network on each device, then connect to the new 5G SSID and verify passwords. Run speed and latency tests in different rooms to identify dead zones, make small antenna or placement tweaks and retest. If devices drop or can't see the band, reduce channel width, lower transmit power, or enable DFS channels to avoid radar conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip. If persistent interference occurs, temporarily switch to a less crowded 5 GHz channel and reboot the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.